happened. It went well. Nobody like died. Everybody remembered their lines. And Charlotte Stokely won Girl Performer of the Year.
Yeah, I fucking did. I licked Romi's pussy once.
Yeah, I helped.
Fucking did that. She helped. She was there.
I was totally there.
She was there with her professionalism and her sexism.
Look at this professionalism.
She's so excited.
We did it. Watch it on Showtime because we look so good.
We wanna party with Cardi. Thumbs up with my body.
I love my body.
Ooh, Romi, your nipples are hard.
I'm very excited.
You did such a great job co-hosting the award show. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you so much. I'm happy it went well. You look amazing.
You look amazing. I'm so happy.
It was a good night for the industry, I think. I'm really happy about that.
Great community.